cacao granolas in 4 flavors. So, para may pagtulak kayo, take a look at what's on the trays. There's different flavors. So, go ahead and help yourself. Tikim, 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 and then drink. And then we will start our storytelling. Thank you. Because it's mango season, and then there are different flavors also. Okay?
And sarap.
Ano ba niyo?
Spicy granola na try ko. So, let's try the ginger mango, green mango, na tea, pero malamig.
Using just regenerative farming system, which means we must make our own fertilizers. So we make our own fertilizers by utilizing eggshell, by utilizing yung nabubulok na isda and molasses, and then we also use natural minerals like boron and zinc and potassium chips. But there is an invisible ingredient that we use here, and I will show that to you as we walk. So, mga puno. So, which is why we say na
Chinese
yung
malunggay.
talagang yung pag-iwas sa paggamit ng kaibigan sa way.
Okay, ayan. We're walking on the...
Sabi ni ate, ang purpose ng carpet. Yung,
Parang-
sabi ni para daw red carpet to roll out and welcome the VIP. Sabi ni
Actually, not alone.
Para magpa-slide. Anti-slip. Actually, masa-slide ka nga eh. Pag di mo
Yeah.
Sticker siya. Yeah.
There's another purpose. Come on, walk.
Pwede rin siya fertilizer?
Very good. Planita talaga. Walk pa para marinig tayo. Everyone.
Fertilizer. Okay. So, okay. Huwag nating walisin yung mga dahon-dahon, guys. Kasi fertilizer na din siya.
So, this first
Jaywalk.
Yeah.
may kasabihan daw that the best fertilizer for the tree is the tree
The best
itself.
policy.
That's why
Oh.
pinamubulok lahat ng parts.
The best fertilizer is the best policy.
Food ng tree. Ah, right.
Sobra.
Sobrang dami, guys. Ay, pwede makaano.
So, before tayo mag-demo, I want you to take a note and please. Okay? So, you would be surprised to discover.
Ayan, ganun pala. Oh.
So, I will pass this on, taste the food. Dito ka lang
So, ako.
Ito din
Alam mo, susunod.
Who wants to try?
Maasim.
And then, yes, twist to the right.
Asa natin siya iluwa?
And dinadry siya para nang sa ganun ma-develop ang flavor at saka para matanggal ang moisture. Kasi pag mataas ang moisture, maging medyo reddish brown siya. But ang critical 45 degrees, mas malala pa sa fever ng bata. Ang 4 days.
Ayan. Hiking pala to, guys. Woo! Ang mga may mga age, kailangan maghanap ng upuan. Ah. Woo!
Ayan. So, we stay the night then. Pagpapasok tayo dito sa roast, siga tayo mga boy. And then we have a bilao with cacao nibs and the hulls. Ito lang yung hindi ko mapapatikin sa inyo. Ihulog sa drink, masin. So, mayroon pang isang additional process na ano tawag try it. It's really pagkat nyo lang tayo.
So, ito yung plate namin, guys. Siya mainit. Under the sun. So, we have the balanghoy cake ba to? This is the balanghoy cake and we have the turon. And ang cute ng plate namin, dahon. So, pwede ang balanghoy dahon and banana leaf. So, we eat the turon.
Kasi tayo ni Mamba.
So, I think we can eat like this. Walang tissue, te.
Meron akong tissue. Pwede dun sa ano ko.